Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be working on the Honda Nighthawk again. We're going to change the oil filter, and we're going to replace the spark plugs. Just some general TLC. We just got tons of work to do on this bike, and we're going to keep just checking things off the list. So stay tuned. Cheers. Okay, so we just finished warming the bike up. I've got my oil filter here. It's an old oil filter on the bike right now, so I got this to take it off. My oil, 17 mil. I'm going to drain the oil right now while it's still hot to try to get all the gunk out, so let's do that. Rip it loose. There it goes. Again, you want it on the center stand so it drains fully. Just cleaning off the drain bolt right now, that's all. Oh yeah, I forget, these have another really cool thing about Hondas. It's other bikes too, but the drain bolt has a little magnetic tip. So when the oil is circulating through, any sort of metal shavings get stuck on here, so you can kind of investigate. So that's what this nifty little tool is for. You just pop it on here. Since this doesn't have the little hex bolt on it like the newer ones do. And there we go, we just loosen this thing right off, just like that. Piece of cake. And then the new one I'm putting on it, I won't need this tool because it's already got a one of these built onto the oil filter, and that's pretty common for any new oil filter. So, but if you're working on old bikes like me, and who knows when the oil was changed last, it's probably going to have an older oil filter like this, so you'll have to get one of these caps. Let that drain out. So this is kind of what I'm talking about, like this. So this is the new oil filter I have, and this has, I think, yeah, 17 mil hex bolt on here. And so the next time I go to the oil, change the oil, you just take the 17 mil socket that you use to get the drain plug off, the same thing to get the oil filter off, which is really nice. Okay, I'm gonna put the bolt back in the drain hole, just like that. Start threading that on there. Like so. And then again, same thing for the drain bolt, 17 mil. Okay, now we're actually ready to put oil in it. Okay, just check the manual. It's 2.8 liters for 84. If you're after 84, I think it was 3.3 liters. Just check your manual. I'll put it on the screen too so you can see it. Okay, so we started it, revved it a little bit. Now we're going to see where the oil level's at now that it's distributed everywhere. Okay, it's like 3/4, so we're going to add a little bit more. Okay, so we got the oil changed, the filter replaced, and everything's good to go there. Now we're going to do the spark plug. Stay tuned. Cheers. I almost feel like I'm going to break the little tab off. Okay, I forgot to record it, but so I just gapped all 4 spark plugs with the recommended gap per manual. It's 0.8 to 0.9 millimeters if you're doing this for your 84 to 86 Nighthawk. Alright, but let's take the old ones out and get these new ones on the bike. Also, when you're doing this, make sure you're keeping track of where each goes. The spark plug wire I'm talking about, you want to keep track of where those go. Okay. 18 mil socket. Here we go. Clean this so I don't get anything falling down the spark plug hole. There we go. Okay. That goes there. That goes there. Alright, same thing. Take these guys off. No oil or grime or anything like that on the spark plug, so that's a good sign for this engine. Pretty stoked on that. Oh, I guess I got one more. Yeah, no oil or grime, that's great. Oil, grime type stuff on your spark plug, that's indicative of seals going bad. So, something to keep an eye out when you're doing your own spark plugs. Same thing, we're gonna snug these. Done deal. Alright, that's going to do it. We got more things checked off on the TLC checklist, if you will. We're going to keep on just restoring this bike step by step. So stay along for the ride. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Again, follow along as we restore this awesome Nighthawk. And if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.